But if you can close your eyes and find the best comfortable position you can in this moment, that's what it takes for this to happen. So right now I want you to put focus on your body. Just observe the body sitting and being in the space it is, in the room, in the vehicle if it's in a vehicle, wherever you are, whatever place you're occupy. Just be aware of your body being there, present with you, present with your soul, present with the whole of who you are, your feminine, your masculine. I want you to start breathing very consciously. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out in your own rhythm for a few seconds more. Just observe your body, observe where the where the energy is in your body in this moment. Maybe it's in your head, maybe thinking or overthinking or worrying or just feel what it is. Don't engage with it, don't judge it, it's all good. However, whatever happens. Maybe it's in somewhere in your heart, or maybe it's somewhere in your gut area. Feel where most of the energy is right now in your body. Just be aware of that. And keep breathing while you do so. Now I want you to take that energy, whatever it is, and for the next part of the journey we're gonna bring more awareness of our heart. So we will take that energy from whatever it is and put it on our heart space, in this area, in the chest area. Now I want you to take some deep breaths in and out. So I will guide you through this. We're gonna take 3 deep breaths in. And when we inhale one in, I want you to envision a straight connection from your heart space to the middle of the galaxy, to this central sun, to this powerhouse of the galaxy, which is the 0-point consciousness of our Milky Way galaxy, right? And all cycles that happen in our galaxy, and the power force that influences all life in our galaxy. So I want you to create straight a connection from your heart to the central sun of the galaxy. And I want you to inhale this purity in your heart. So get ready for this. So right now take a deep breath in with this awareness, with this energy from the Milky Way, and hold it in your heart. You can put your right hand on your heart and the left hand on top of the right, and hold there. Feel this connection with the cosmos, feel this connection with the source in our galaxy. And now release. And on the release, I want you to release any worries, any emotion of sadness, any emotions of frustration, of anger, of anything that doesn't serve a higher frequency in your body. Everything that you want to release and you're ready to let go of. Remember, on the exhale, do that. Right now we are inhaling again and connect again with the Milky Way, with the central sun. through the heart and inhale in this source energy from the Milky Way straight into your heart space. Feel this unconditional love from the cosmos and hold it a little more. Now release what doesn't serve you out. Good. Now another deep breath. And this time I want you to visualize and feel the frequency of love, because that's the frequency of source energy which comes through the central sun of the Milky Way as well, and to all stars, to all celestial objects, to all beings in our galaxy. So inhale that love frequency right now in your heart, this unconditional love. Take a deep breath and hold it there. Imagine and visualize how it enhances your heart consciousness, your heart field. Now release. Release everything that doesn't serve. Now just sit a little bit, sit a few seconds with this awareness of your heart space right now. Feel your heart with this loving awareness straight from the universe. You don't need to receive this love from anyone, from any other external source, from any being, because this is your birthright. This is what you're always connected with at all times. You are connected to electromagnetism straight with the central of the Milky Way galaxy. This is you. This is what makes you you as well. So this connection is your birthright and your experience of the purest love in this human body. And you can cultivate more of it every time you connect with this awareness, knowing that you're whole, knowing that you are enough. You don't lack anything. You might want experiences, you will have desires, because this is how the universe expands. Through your desires, through your experiences, through each of everyone, every being that sits here with us right now and in the whole world, their experiences expands the universe. Feel this into your heart. Feel that how your existence in this world, on this planet, is perfect the way it is. It's perfectly guided. You are perfectly supposed to be here. There's no place in space and time that you would rather be than this present moment. Now I want you to send this frequency of love towards your whole body. So we will start doing this together right now. So from your heart space, visualize a golden energy in your heart in this moment, how it pulsates there throughout your whole energetic field. And now visualize how it goes into your chest, into the whole chest area. And now up into your shoulders and up into your neck. And now it's connecting further up with your head and with your brain. You are bridging heart consciousness with your brain, with your mental body. You're sending love to both of your brain's hemispheres, your feminine, your masculine. You're unifying these together. The right side of your brain is the feminine, the left side is the masculine. You make peace with this right now. You're harmonizing them with this heart consciousness, with this golden energy from your heart. And I want you to return back into the middle, into your heart, into the center point. And I want you to send this golden energy down into your arms and into your hands and into your fingers, energizing your whole body with love frequency, with heart consciousness. Now further down into your belly and in all of your organs, into your upper back and lower back. Send love to all of your organs, to all of your cells in your body. Know that they are doing perfect work to keep you alive, to keep you healthy, to keep you energized so that you can have this human experience. Now go further down into your waist area, into your hips. Send this loving energy from your heart straight into your hips, into your sacral and into your root chakra. Keep breathing while you're doing so. Know that everything is alright. Now send this energy down into your legs, down into your knees, further down into your calves, and both of your feet and your toes. Visualize yourself bathing into this golden fluid, this golden energy which is coming from your heart consciousness, from your heart space, from your heart field. Know that you're loved. Know that there is no higher love that you can experience than what you already are, in connection with the universe, in connection with the frequency of this universe, with the source of this universe, which flows through you at all times. Even when you lose this awareness, source is always there for you to remember, to connect back. And from there, may you deal with all your human challenges, with all your human wants and desires. From that heart consciousness, from that place of integrity of your brain with your heart. And so it is. I want you to feel this connection of your heart more now into your body. Just stay there with it. No agenda, no thoughts, no nothing. Just stay there with it. Feel it in your body. Feel how it expands your mind. Feel how it fills all the cells in your body. All your worries, all your doubts are fine in this energy. Are perfectly alright. Are dissolving, are melting in it. Now when you're ready, I want you to move slowly your fingers and your toes and feel this energy of your body. Feel your body and feel also the frequency of your heart. Feel safe to be in the physical with this expanded heart consciousness that you now integrated in. Take a deep breath and exhale out. Take another deep breath and connect more to the present moment. And exhale out. And the last deep breath. Take it in and hold it. And exhale out. Now just be present with your body more. And when you feel ready, open your heart. Open your heart more, yes, and open your eyes as well, and step deeper into this present moment. If you have water near you, just drink some water. Just hydrate.